Welcome to This Explainer. Have you ever had one of those absolute flashes of genius? You know, a brilliant idea for a software business or a new mobile app, only to have that excitement completely crushed by the sheer technical reality of actually making it happen? It's literally the most frustrating feeling, knowing exactly what you want to build, but just not speaking the programming languages required to pull it off. Well, today we are diving into something that is fundamentally flipping the script on software creation. We're going to explore a real game changer, a method to build and deploy a fully functional, full-stack SaaS business in just 24 hours. And honestly, the best part? We're going to see how this is done without writing a single line of code. So if you've ever felt totally locked out by technical barriers, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one.
So let's look at the reality of this dilemma. If you're trying to launch your own software business as we head toward 2026, you've traditionally faced a massive, intimidating roadblock. You basically had two pretty awful choices. Option one, spend months or realistically even years torturing yourself by learning to code from scratch. It is a massive mountain to climb filled with endless tutorials just to get a basic, clunky prototype working. Or there's option two, shelling out thousands upon thousands of pounds to hire a professional agency to do it for you. Both of these paths demand huge sacrifices of either your precious time or your hard-earned cash. For years, this has completely gate-kept digital innovation and trapped some incredible ideas inside the minds of non-technical founders.
But that brings us to our next section. Enter Lovable AI, the no-code solution for non-technical founders.
Okay, so what exactly is this? Well, the crucial thing to understand is that Lovable AI isn't just another basic design tool. It's not a simple web page generator. It essentially operates exactly like having a highly skilled, full-stack developer sitting right there next to you just waiting for your instructions. And the game changer here is that your programming language is just plain English. You absolutely don't need to know Python or JavaScript or anything like that. You just tell it, hey, create a dashboard that tracks my daily sales, securely stores customer emails, and shows revenue growth in a pie chart. You just talk to it like a normal person, and the platform translates those conversational prompts directly into a complex working software architecture in real time. It's wild.
And this really hits the nail on the head regarding what's out there right now. You see, standard website builders are great for throwing together pretty superficial layouts. They make nice digital brochures. But the second you try to build actual problem-solving software, like the minute you need a robust database or secure user logins, they completely hit a brick wall. Lovable AI, on the other hand, bridges that massive gap. It handles the whole shebang. It automatically manages the complex back-end code, the front-end interface, and all the database customization right behind the scenes. It basically takes you from a static web page to a dynamic living software product that can genuinely run a business. Let's look at how this actually works in practice in our next section, the build workflow. Going from plain English prompts to a live CRM. Let's take all this theoretical power and apply it to a real-world scenario, like building a custom CRM from scratch. The workflow is so incredibly streamlined. Step one, you just jump into the dashboard and type out your requirements. Boom, within seconds, you've got a premium user interface. Step two, adding secure user login. Now, normally, coding authentication takes weeks to make sure passwords are encrypted properly, right? Here, it is literally a single click. Step three is just another click to hook up a robust database to securely save all your users' data. And that brings us to step four, the one-click deploy. I absolutely have to pause and highlight this final step because it is huge. You do not need to go out and buy separate web hosting. Anyone who has built software knows that dealing with hosting usually means fighting with confusing AWS setups, messing with DNS records, and sweating over server maintenance. It is a nightmare for beginners. But this one-click deploy feature completely bypasses all that traditional friction. It puts your software live for global users instantly. Why is that a big deal? Because your time to market drops from stressful months down to literal seconds. You can start sharing your link, getting real users, and validating your idea immediately.
Moving right along to launching in Premium Access, where we'll navigate the pricing tiers for commercial production.
So taking a look at the pricing tiers from our source material, the basic free tier is awesome for getting your feet wet. You can experiment, type in some prompts, and just watch the magic happen behind the scenes. But when you're actually ready to graduate from just playing around to launching a serious commercial SaaS platform, the premium tier is the rocket fuel you're going to need. Upgrading lets you connect your own custom domain, which we all know is absolutely crucial for looking professional to your customers. Plus, it unlocks maximum generation speed, so you aren't bottlenecked when you're rapidly building out new features. Actually, a quick word of warning before you go upgrading. Our source is very explicit about this. The internet is flooded with fake discount websites and broken promo codes that simply do not work. You know how it is. Whenever a new tech tool blows up, this whole shady industry of fake voucher sites pops up to prey on eager builders. Getting stuck entering broken codes is not just annoying, it totally kills the incredible momentum you've built up during your 24-hour sprint to launch. To save you that headache, the original source material has actually provided a direct, verified solution. They've hooked up a 100% legitimate, working premium discount link. To safely activate your premium account and entirely sidestep that fake voucher trap, they advise using the official link provided right down in the description or the pinned comment. This just ensures that if you're ready to build something real, you're getting the official discount without any security risks or wasted time. 24. I want you to really let that number sink in for a second. Think back to that massive, intimidating roadblock we started with. The dark days of wasting months on tedious coding tutorials or draining your entire savings to hire an agency? Those days are officially over. They've been replaced by a 24-hour turnaround. In a single day, using nothing but plain conversational English, you can spin up a beautiful interface, plug in a database, lock it down with user logins, and deploy a global software application to the public. It's a complete democratization of software development.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to think about all those times you caught yourself saying, man, I really wish there was an app for this, or I have the best idea for a software business. Well, the tools to actually make it happen are right in front of you now, just waiting for you to tell them what to do. So I'll leave you with this. With the technical barriers officially wiped out, what brilliant idea are you going to build today?